first clip, all we need is a pad of paper and a pen. What we want to do is to brainstorm and make a list. Make a list of the people we want to shop for, make a list of the places you want to go, the people you'll need to see, the things you'll need to buy. So we're talking about, do you need gas for your car this holiday season? Are you going to need new decorations for your tree? Do you need a Christmas tree? Do you need a wreath? Do you need Christmas lights? All of those things, of course, cost money. So when we're talking about budgeting for the holiday season, we're talking about decorating. We need to think about food. Are you having a party? Do you need to buy alcohol? Do you need to buy things from the grocery store? Are you having the party at your house or at somebody else's? Do you need hostess gifts? You can see the list goes on and on and on. So that's why you need just to brainstorm. The first thing, don't get frustrated, just don't get overwhelmed. First and foremost, just brainstorm, make a list of, again, things you'll need and people you want to buy for. Some families only buy, a couple of gifts they may draw names, so you may have only one person to buy for. You might have your mom or your dad or your grandmother, your grandfather, your brother, your sister. Just first and foremost, start off by making a list.